Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Xampp and enabling Apache plus MySQL. This runs the services you will connect to. Once done, make a Python virtual environment to isolate dependencies, then pip install MySQL connector Python or PyMySQL so you have a connector. Next, create a simple database and a user in phpMyAdmin with a password. This provides credentials for your script. Make sure to note host, port, database name, and user. Those values are required in the connection string you'll write next. Now you write the middle code. Import your connector and create a connection using host 127, 0, 0, 1, port 3306, plus the user, password, and database from earlier. Use a cursor to execute parameterized queries. This prevents SQL injection and handles types reliably. Commit transactions when writing data, and always close the cursor and connection. Better yet, use a context manager so Python closes them for you. If you need to fetch many rows, use fetchmany to avoid high memory use and keep performance smooth. Finally, run your Python script and verify changes appear in phpMyAdmin. This confirms end-to-end success. If it fails, check that MySQL is running in Xampp, that the port is correct, and that your firewall isn't blocking connections. Use 127, 0, 0, 1 rather than ambiguous host names. Make sure credentials match and you committed transactions. Use try/except to log full errors and optionally retry on transient network faults. One key tip: if connection refused, restart Xampp MySQL and recheck the user privileges immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.